Hello, it's Brother here. In this video, I become a thief and steal 3 cars from guess who? Gordon Wu. Nevertheless, I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Before I read this, I need to upgrade my blowtorch. More fuel, okay. Let's see this. They turned off the gas. I can't even make a proper coffee anymore. We really need to bring in more clients. I'll reach out to Gordon and see if he has something else. I haven't heard back from the police. That thing sorted? Mom. Gordon Wu. Thanks for helping me out with that building. The police were snooping around a little, but it seems to have cooled off now and we can finally start construction. I actually have another job for you. See, I bought this yacht recently, but it's too large for the marina and the board says there is no space for a new dock. Could use your demolition skills again and remove one of the timeshare cabins. If the original documentation also disappeared then, tada, like it was never there. Easy. Maybe there are extras now? There are. Okay then. So I go here. Now here, okay. No. Okay. Now we go for the tugboat. Oh. Yeah, we going. Have to go through here or through here, but I think I will just turn on the bridge. Look at this, Mastercraft. Boom. Now I need to take one house down. Alright. Yeah. No house. Oh, so it's the getaway boat. What happens if I don't know if I can drown. What happens if I leave this here? Will the animation change? I think I left it too far. Doesn't matter. Okay, easy. A new tool. I hope it's not. It's the spray can, so I already have it. Alright, so what's on the TV? Nothing. Classic cars. Fantastic work at the marina. Looks like it worked, because they just cleared a construction permit for the new dock. Another thing came up. There was this classic car auction up in Black River the other day, and one guy just kept overbidding me. Lawrence Lee Jr., that youngster who inherited the chemical plant a few years ago. Absolutely no interest in cars, he's just looking for ways to rotate his dirt money. It's a Gus Seidel B50, the one they used in Seal the Deal 2 and Colonel Wilson's personal Jacoby from Normandy. Sorry if I read that wrong. Lee is about to put those cars on a ship overseas any day now, and they'll be out of the country for good. If that's not criminal, I don't know what is. Can you help me acquire those 2 gems? I'll take good care of them. I mean, if you like cars, what can I do? Let me just... Hell yeah. Okay, so I have to bring them here. How many cars? They have alarm boxes. So... I know how I can enter. Now that's better. So, one is on the tugboat, which I can easily just get there. So I think what I'll do is park the tugboat right there, so I can drive off with the car right to this point, you know. Then I will I actually don't know what I will do. I don't know how this car is stored. If it's in a box like this one, I could probably use a forklift to bring it as close to me as it's humanly possible. But if it isn't, the thing I will do is I will... Okay, so it's parked almost perfectly. It's indestructible. Okay. So what I'll need to do is just... Okay. Is it perfect? It's not perfect. Wait, let me just save and check. It is perfect. Okay. So what I'll do is make a truck for myself to go on with the other car. Oh, that's easy. Let me just quick save. Okay, so I'm scared that this car will go right off of this this truck. Yo, it looks so unsecured. Like, who secures their car like this? Why would you do this? Yo, it looks like a couch, bro. There's no more car. I can't drive to save my life. There's no more car. Like, just don't look at it, please. Holy, no! Good brakes. The car is also destroyed. I don't know if it does anything, but if you look at the front, no! Because I destroyed the truck so much, there is nothing protecting the car anymore. I thought I broke the bed. Okay, so it's quick save now. And there's a thing here and here, and I don't know what it is, but there is a boat here and a car in here. If it doesn't have an alarm, it's not gonna be that hard, but I think it does. Of course it does. So I go out of here. What can I drive from there? Like, maybe I steal the... Okay, I know what I'll do. But I need to find a way to get in here quick. Boom. Boom. Okay, it's possible, but is it easy? Boom. Boom. Take this. Run out of here. There's just a door right there. There was no need to destroy it. Like, boom, boom. Destroy this wall. Jump out of here. Then take the car. Take the car out of the tugboat. Okay, it's possible. Okay, quick save. Now I'll know what I do. See, I'll take this boat and steal this, drive in here, go in there by the little staircase I made here. Then I steal the documents, run out of the wall, take the car, drive here, take the card of the tugboat, drive in, take the other car in, and it's all good. So now the only thing I'll need to do is take the boat from here and park it right there, because I thought I could do it from here to here, but as I'm seeing now, the way from here to that point is really not the best. No! I destroyed it. It's fast though. Right here. Okay, nice. Good that there is such a thing as quick save in this game, because if it wasn't for the, I just need to wait. Boing! Why doesn't it work? Boop! That was stupid. Let me just... Ouch. What is this? Is this an AC unit? Yo, fire alarm, fire alarm! Holy shit, that was stupid. Where are the documents? Oh, they're in here. America, baby! So in there. Okay, save it. Now look at this. I'm gonna do this first try. Boom. Go there to this boat. Drive. Yo, can you go quicker? Boom. Jump out. Jump here. Take the stairs. Take the stairs. Yo, I did nothing right. Go, 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 faster, bro. I just killed my way in here. Bro. Okay, time. Boom. Go down. Jump in. Drive. Boom. Destroy this. Jump out. Boom, boom. Take the stairs. Take the documents. Know my way out of here. Jump in the car. Now what we do? What we do? See. I'm not gonna be an idiot. I park. Go in. Take the other car. Do an epic jump. Drive it in. Take the other car. Boom. Escape. Every objective completed. Second try. Perfectly done. Why am I here though? America. Hey guys, that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed and see you in the next one.